My sister and I are in the process of restoring my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 pickup truck. And along the way, we've been taking videos of some of the things that we've been doing. And today, I just wanted to point out a possible substitute for my Type A fuel sending unit that I had on my truck. On the right there is the original Type A sending unit, and you can tell that it has two wires coming into it. I can't really find one, but what I did discover was this fuel sending unit on eBay for a 4748 Studebaker truck. And the thing that I did notice was it has the same mounting plate, and it basically has the same two screws to hook into. So my thought process is that I will be able to use this fuel sending unit in lieu of the one that came off of my truck. It is a little bit shorter, and so I'll probably have some differences in how the fuel gauge works, but I think this will be the solution for my Type A fuel gauge. Hopefully this will help somebody else out there. Thank you very much, and bye.